Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, and any fillings you like, such as cheese or chopped vegetables. You will also need a microwave-safe bowl or mug, approximately 12 ounces, along with salt, pepper, and cooking spray. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture. Crack 2 large eggs directly into your microwave-safe bowl or mug. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper for seasoning. Whisk everything together vigorously with a fork until the mixture is light and frothy. Finally, gently fold in your desired fillings, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the eggs. It's time to cook your omelet. First, lightly spray the inside of your microwave-safe bowl or mug with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Pour the egg mixture into the prepared dish. Microwave on high for 1 minute, then carefully remove and stir the cooked edges towards the center. Return it to the microwave and continue cooking in 30-second intervals until the eggs are fully set. Your delicious microwave omelet is ready. Carefully remove the hot dish from the microwave. Using a spatula, gently loosen the edges and slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. You can fold it in half for a classic look. Don't forget to check the description for a special offer and other great deals. Garnish with fresh chives or a sprinkle of extra cheese if you like, and enjoy your quick, satisfying meal immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.